Hello guys, Mr. Pepper1 here and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be reviewing a Jaecoo or Jaecoo J7. Pronunciation is personal. First of all, let's start with the sunroof. In this car, get a nice panoramic sunroof which goes the full length of the car, which is stunning. And where in this particular model is a Inferno, which is a top spec, and then also get a Glacier, which is a mid spec, where they both have a panoramic sunroof. And then the entry level doesn't come with the sunroof, which is called the Vortex. This car is jam-packed by technology. Everything is controlled over the entertainment screen there, which is huge, 14.8 touch screen. You get 360 camera, 360 view camera. Mara one side. Let's go on. As you can see right there, you get that 3D camera whereby you can move it around and check your surroundings. So you don't have an excuse here of you damaging your wheels. So if I give you this car, don't tell me with bafu as you can see right there. So no excuse, baba. And now let's talk about the performance of the car. This car is powered by a 1.6 liter petrol engine, which produces 145 kilowatts and 290 newton meters. And a transmission, you get a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, and the fuel consumption is claimed to be 7.8 liters to 100. And that's it for the performance. And then I also like the fact that you also get the ambient lighting right there. It's nice and it's more visible at night. I think I should do the night driving reviews and stuff. All you have to do is to subscribe and share with your friends, family. Let's support, guys. Let the people know that there's a Mr. Pepper1 somewhere in South Africa. And in this particular model, you get 7 driving modes. This is a 4-wheel drive, baba. So you get to off-road, snow, sport, eco, normal, etc. It's usual. And then when you put it on sport, I'm telling you, this car moves. And I like the fact that it's smooth. It's not like wah, then you go smooth. But other than that, it's a nice car. Suspension is super soft and it rides very well over the bump, and the gear changes are also soft, like you hardly feel the car when it changes. So I think if you are looking for a cheaper Range Rover, I think the Jaecoo is the car for you, because you get a lot of stuff for less money. You also get heads-up display. Tell me which brand that's gonna get heads-up display for 600,000? None, zero. Only the Chinese will give you that. So I think by you purchasing a Jaecoo, so it's a saving cool, doing yourself a huge favor. Even the exterior design also nice. I love the back and the LED lights. Nice. It has a nice touch. Just that I'm not a fan of the exhaust pipes. There is. And then when you go to the side view, that's when you get that Range Rover vibes. If you don't know cars, I'm telling you, when I say Range Rover, but people are. But I prefer the front of this car. There's that nice big grill and the daytime running lights. The design is super clean. The headlights are separated from the daytime running lights. I think it's a new style that is big. But other than that, this is a nice car. I wouldn't mind owning it, telling you straight. And when you have this, if you're not that rich, by you having this car, you're gonna look rich. And I would like to send a huge shout out to the team at Omoda Jaecoo Gordon Road for helping us with the car. And I also like the 19-inch alloy rims. It suits the car very nice. Even the car itself, I love the two-tone paint with the floating roof. Makes the car really stand out. And also get Sony sound system, which is brilliant. And then the big seats are nice and comfortable. You get 2 cup holders, and get also air conditioning, as you see right there. This space is nice. You get enough space. Since I'm a bit taller, so wouldn't mind sitting in the back of this car. And in front, under the armrest, you get what can I call it? It's a fridge or a cooler box. Depends on what you wanna call it. You can put it with drinks on a road trip, and it'll be cool. And the gear knob is not made sure, but I like it. Looks like it comes out from Avengers movies, Star Wars. It's nice. And some spacing under the center console to put in your handbag, and nice steering wheel. At first I thought the steering buttons were touch sensitive, but no, it's actual buttons. I like that feature. It's nice since we want physical buttons. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.